With prices for Calgary real estate continuing to rise, wouldn't it be nice to find something more affordable? Hey everyone, Steve Lockyer here, and thanks for watching. I am back in the highly sought after community of Carrington Northwest. Yes, again. I've heard from many people asking for freehold townhomes in the Northwest, and I can get why. Carrington offers numerous options when it comes to amenities, recreation, health and wellness, and the outdoors. This community is also conveniently located close to our main ring road, which is Stony Trail, and that will also take you to Deerfoot, which is our main highway. Also, people that live here will have access to the LRT, which will be located in the future in Livingston, which is neighboring, actually right behind me there. Today I'm doing part 1 of 2 for Homes by Abbey townhomes. Now these townhomes again will be freehold. In other words, no condo fees. For part 1 I'm going to take you through the Slate model, which are in the interior units. The Slate offers 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms totaling 1,224 square feet. The kitchen is located in the rear, perfect for people wanting to cook and prep in the sunlight. This model also comes with a standard concrete patio in the back, a gravel parking pad, and a front porch, which is actually quite sizey and nice. You can add a detached 18 by 20 foot garage in the back instead of having the gravel pad. Roughly that's going to cost right now about $28,000 to add. The basement can also be finished, which would add an additional 1 bedroom and full bathroom, totaling an extra 420 square feet. Now without further ado, let's go. Welcome to the Slate by Homes by Abbey. This model is located in Carrington Northwest, and it features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, totaling 1,224 square feet. It is freehold, so you will not pay any condo fees whatsoever. This model comes standard with a 9-foot by 10-foot patio in the back and a gravel pad. You have the option of finishing the basement, which would add an extra 1 whole bedroom and 1 full bathroom, totaling 420 square feet. Please note that in this community, this area is not zoned for full legal basement suites. I'm going to turn on some music. Please enjoy, and I'll catch you at the end. Hopefully you liked that tour of the Slate by Homes by Avi. Lots will be available relatively soon. They are not currently available right now, but they will be in the very near future. Reach out to me. There are only a very few amount of lots that are going to be available, or units for these townhomes. This is the last phase, or the last set of units for Homes by Avi in Carrington Northwest, and then they're all done. If you would like more information, please feel free to reach out, or better yet, fill out the form. And with that being said, I hope you have a great day, a great week, and I'll catch you on the next video.